Hello, grade 2. How are you today? I hope you're happy and safe. Our lesson today is very interesting. It's investigate materials. Let's start it. The objectives of our lesson is to observe patterns in how materials can be described and classified by their observable properties. Let's start it. The big question is, what are materials? What do you think, grade 2? What are materials? I will surprise you, grade 2. If you look around in your home or in your city, in your country, again, each object you can see around is made of materials. Interesting. So, materials are what objects are made of. Again, materials are what objects are made of. And anything you can touch it by your fingers is an object that made of materials. So, if it takes up a space and has mass, it's a material. Let's see these objects. We have many objects here. Page number 5. We have ice, cloth, mouse, water, paperclip, shadow, grain of sand, sponge, and milk. What do you think, grade 2? What objects are made of materials? What about the ice? What do you think? Can you touch the ice by your fingers? Can you catch it? Is it has a space? Is it has a mass? Yeah, of course. So, it's made of materials. The same for the mouse. The same for water. The same for paperclip. You can touch it. But what about shadow? What do you think, grade 2? Can you touch shadow? Is it has a mass? Does it take up a space? I don't think so. We cannot touch shadow. It doesn't have a mass. So, it's not made of materials. Let's see the next. What about grain of sand? We can touch it, of course. What about the sponge? Also, we can touch. It has a mass and takes up a space. The same for the milk. Interesting. So, please, grade 2, now you know the objects that are made of materials. So, please circle all of these objects that are made of material like this. Again, page number 5. And please, grade 2, be sure to write this in your book. We cannot touch shadow, so it's not made of material. Stop the video, write this on your book, and then when you finish, replay again. Let's see the next page. Page number 6. In this picture, we can see a playground. It's very nice. What type of materials can you see in this photo, grade 2? What type of materials can you see in this photo? What about this one? What can you see here, grade 2? What's this? What do you think? It's wood. It's wood. We get it from trees. What do you think? What's the color of the wood, grade 2? It's brown. Excellent. And what do you think? Is it hard or soft? It looks hard, right? And strong. And of course, solid. Okay, let's see this one. What's this? We have many ropes here. What is color? It's black. And what do you think? Is it rough or smooth? What do you think, grade 2? Here it is. Is it rough or smooth? It's rough. Excellent, grade 2. And you know, the rope is bendable. Interesting. It's bendable. Let's see the next page, grade 2, page number 7. We have a question here. What words can you use to describe these materials? We say wood and rob. Wood is strong, hard, solid, and brown. Rob is bendable, rough, and black. So please, grade 2, be sure to write this answer on your book, page number 7. Let's see the next page. Page number 8. Inquiry activity. Soak it up. We will investigate many materials. They are metal, fabric, and paper. Let's test these materials. Let's start with metal. If we put metal here, what do you think, grade 2, before the test? What do you think? Does metal absorb water or not? What do you think? Think about it and let's see. It didn't absorb water. So, metal cannot absorb water or cannot soak up water. Okay, let's see if it's flexible or not. It's not flexible. Interesting. Let's see if it's strong or not. Oh, it's very strong. Good. Is it transparent? No, it's not. It's not transparent. Interesting. So, we know now that metal cannot absorb water and it's not flexible, it's strong, and it's not transparent. Let's see paper. Let's test paper now. What do you think, grade 2? Does paper soak up water or not? Think about it and let's see. Yeah, it soaks up water. Interesting. Let's see if it's flexible or not. It's flexible. Is it strong? No, it's not. Is it transparent? No, again, it's not. Let's see fabric. Again, what do you think, grade 2? Does fabric absorb water or not? Let's test. Yeah, it is. It's absorbed water. Did you notice how its color is changed? Let's see again. Yeah, its color is changed. It's absorbed water. Let's see if it's flexible or not. Yeah, it's flexible. Is it strong? Yeah, it's strong. Again, it's strong. It didn't break out. Again, strong. Is it transparent? No, it's not. Okay, let's touch rubber. Is it flexible? Somehow. Is it strong? Yeah, strong. Is it transparent? No, it's not. Does it absorb water? No, it's not. Let's see glass. What do you think? Is it flexible? No, it's not. Is it strong? Oh, it's breaking out. It's not strong. It's hard, but it's not strong. Is it transparent? Yeah, it is. Does it absorb water? No, it didn't. Interesting. Now let's summarize things, grade 2. Fabric and paper will soak up water, but metal will not. This is what we predict before, and this is what we get. Let's see the next page. Page number 9. Here we have the materials. Metal, glass, and paper. Describing words. Metal. We know now that metal is solid and hard. Glass is solid, smooth, and transparent. And the paper is soft and smooth. So please grade 2, be sure to write these answers on your book. Page number 9. Let's see these materials. Here we have tissues and paper. Tissues and paper. What object will suck up water the quickest? What do you think, grade 2? Tissues or paper? Did you say tissues? Yeah, of course. It's tissues. Excellent. So, some objects soak up water faster than other objects. Why do you think, grade 2, you use a towel to dry off? Why do you think that? Because it can absorb water easily. That's why you use a towel to dry off. Let's see the next page, grade 2, page number 12. In this table, we have many objects: glass, concrete, and clay. What do you think about this glass ball? Is it smooth or rough? Let's see the next object. Here we have concrete. It's hard, rough, and heavy. That's right, it's hard, not soft, and rough, not smooth, and heavy, not light. Let's see clay. What do you think about the clay? Is it soft or hard? It's soft and bendable. Excellent, grade 2. Okay, grade 2. Can you describe these objects with other words? For the glass, concrete, and clay. What do you think about the glass? Is it soft or hard? What do you think? It's hard. Excellent, grade 2. And what do you think about concrete? What's its color? What the color of concrete? It's gray. Excellent, grade 2. What about the clay? Is it sticky or not? What do you think, grade 2? It's sticky. Excellent. Can you think about another example for sticky objects? What do you think, grade 2? What about the gum? It's sticky also. So, did you know, grade 2, that these words that we use to describe these objects are called properties? Yes, these words like smooth, breakable, clear, hard, rough, heavy, gray, and etc. All these are called properties. So, a property is the way something looks, feels, smells, sounds, or tastes. Materials can be big or small, heavy or light, like concrete here. Concrete is heavy, but the clay is light. Glass is hard, but clay is soft. Paper can absorb water, but glass cannot. Let's see the next page, grade 2. Page number 13. Here we have another 3 objects: toy, yarn, and sponge. Let's see toy. Its color is blue, and we can see it's pointed. Like this, it's pointed, and it's made of plastic. Can you think about another property for this object, grade 2? Is this toy squeezable or not? What do you think? It's squeezable. Excellent, grade 2. It's squeezable. Let's see yarn. Yarn is soft, not hard, and it's colorful. It's red, and it's very long. Yarn is very long. And what do you think? Is it thick or thin? It's very thin, grade 2, right? It's long and thin. Excellent, grade 2. Let's see the last object. Here we have sponge. Sponge absorbs water. That's right. It absorbs water very quickly. And it's very soft and bendable, of course. And you see its color. Its color is blue again. Did you notice, grade 2, that we have many common properties for this object? Let's take another look for the first 3 objects. Here we have glass, concrete, and clay. Concrete and glass are solid and hard. Glass and clay are light. And here we have toy, yarn, and the sponge are soft. The color of the toy and the sponge are blue. So, materials can have common properties. This is called pattern. Let's answer this question. Page number 12. What patterns do you see in the properties list below? We see that the clay, yarn, and the sponge are soft. That's right. So please, grade 2, be sure to write this answer on your book, page number 12. That's enough for today, grade 2. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.